Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I got my car back. They didn't really fix anything, so I'm just kind of fixed it myself. I put a new gasket on here. It seems to be running good, but they didn't actually ground my battery, so my battery's dead, and I need a new alternator, which is down there, so I'm going to bring it into the shop tomorrow to have that replaced. And right now I'm actually painting inside. I couldn't actually get that off, so I kind of gave up and I painted that. And I already did paint this. That's going to go back on soon. But first I have to put those back on. They turned out really good. These are yet to go. I painted this already, and I got these too from the other car. I think it looks really nice. Love this song. Alright, I also bought the doors, guys. This trim's broken on here, but I was going to take that off anyway, so it's just kind of... I don't know, I'll get this off. Looks nice though underneath of it. And pull this up for you guys real quick. It's my power windows. Can't wait to get those in. Door locks. This one they fell in. They're in there, but that's okay. Would start it up for you guys. My battery's charging right now. But yeah, as you can see, I was leaking. That went kind of down, but that's because I just put that on. I took that out. Gonna paint that too, I think. I don't know. I'm getting another one, so it's kind of pointless. But yeah, guys, that's kind of what I have going right now. Just painting stuff for fun. I was kind of really bored this weekend. I painted that too, that's back there. All of it turned out really good though, I think. Just about waiting for another coat for that middle part. And then I can put that back in tonight. It's getting kind of cold out, so I have to kind of hurry up and put a couple more coats on that before I put it all back together. And tomorrow it's going in the shop, so I have to kind of have it looking kind of normal. But yeah, I guess I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the song, and then I'll stop it.